DJI Mavic 3 Classic, Quick Transfer. Method 1. Power on the aircraft. Turn on your mobile device's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Launch the DJI Fly app, and the system will give you a message prompting you to connect the aircraft. Tap to switch. Click to join the drone's LAN network. After connecting successfully, access the aircraft's album and select the material you want to download at high speed. Method 2. Power on the aircraft. Turn on your mobile device's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Click to access the DJI Fly app homepage album. Click the Quick Transfer icon in the top right corner of the app. Click to switch to Quick Transfer mode. Click to join the drone's LAN network. Once you are given a message that switching has been successful, you can enter Quick Transfer mode and select the material you wish to download at high speed. Click the Quick Transfer icon again to switch back to flight mode and use the remote controller to operate the aircraft normally. Thank you for watching.